Small businesses don't fail. People just don't put in the effort required to make them succeed. One of the keys to building a thriving small business is you need to have an unwavering pursuit of perfection. Here are a few examples. Commitment to impeccable quality. Your primary objective should be to deliver a flawless product or service every single time. This means meticulously scrutinizing every detail and refusing to compromise on standards. You gain customers one way and only one way, by exceeding their expectations. Continuous skill development. Relentlessly hone your craft with every job. View each task as an opportunity to improve and optimize your processes. After each job, analyze what could have gone better or faster. Then come up with a plan to solve the problem. Dummy-proof your process. Design and rigorously follow a system that minimizes the chance of error at every step, ensuring consistent, high-quality results. The goal is to make your process so simple that mistakes become non-existent. Check out the next video for the next key principle.